topic is transformation of axis. Here transformation of axis are two types. Axis are what? X-axis and the y-axis. First one is translation. Translation of axis. This is what? X-axis and the y-axis. Translation without changing the direction. Same direction only. Just a transformation of axis from one place to another place. It is called what? Horizon O. 0, 0, horizon. When we are translating this axis, x and y axis, without changing the direction, means new axis are considered as x dash axis. Now x axis changed like this, y axis came like this, y dash axis. New axis are x dash and the y axis. Then O, this is horizon, no? Here new horizon, O dash. Now horizon is shifted from 0, 0, here 0, 0 horizon. This horizon is shifted from here to here. Then new horizon is h comma k. New horizon is h comma k. It means that this distance is called h from here to here. This distance is called h. Right or not? This point. Now this distance is called what? This distance is called k. H, and this distance is called k. That's why it is called h comma k. Whenever it is h, it is also called h. Whenever it is k, it is also called k. Horizon 0, 0 shifted to h comma k. Consider one point in xy plane. In xy plane, take a point P x comma y. It is P x comma y is a point with respect to x axis and y axis. Then horizon is shifted to h comma k. Then P also will be shifted to somewhere. When horizon and the x axis y axis are shifted to one point, then vertical point P also will be shifted to some other point. Now consider that point P dash, x dash comma y dash. P dash x dash comma y dash. Same point P dash, x dash y dash. P become P dash with respect to new axis, x dash and y dash. Old axis with respect to old axis P. With respect to new axis, it is called P dash, x dash comma y dash. How it will change? What is the connection between those two? We are going to learn. Now draw perpendiculars like this. This distance is called what? With respect to new axis, this distance is called what? X dash. This distance is called what? Y dash. L, M, N. L, M, N like that. Now this distance x dash, no? It is also called x dash. This is y dash. Horizon is shifted to h comma k. Then old point x comma y is changed as p dash x dash y dash. Now the connection between x and x dash with respect to this. Now what can you say about this one? Now x dash means here to here, no? X dash means this is called x dash. This total is called x dash means with respect to this axis x dash. Small x, where is small x? Small x means what? Small x means what? With respect to x axis and y axis. This is called small x. X means what? OM. OM can be written as OL plus LM. OL plus LM. OL is what? H. LM is what? X dash. Small x is equals to h plus x dash. Like that. Small y means what? PM. Small letter means old point P. P to M. PM can be written as PN plus NM, no? PN plus NM. PN plus NM. PN is with respect to new axis. This is all y dash. PN. NM is represented by what? NM distance is nothing but K. So the connection between old point and the new point x dash y dash with respect to new point h comma k. When origin is shifted to h comma k, the old point x comma y changes like this. From this x dash equals to x minus h equals to x dash, y minus k is equals to y dash. New point. Old point became as x dash and y dash. X dash means h minus k. Y dash means p. Original point p x comma y is equals to p. X is now what? H plus x dash comma y means what? Y dash plus k. You get it like that. And new point p x dash comma y dash no p x dash we can write as h minus k, y dash we can write as y minus k. How to get a new point? New point p x dash y dash. To get p x dash we should apply this formula. X means old point minus h. How much distance it is moving? Minus y minus k. New point is equal. To get old point from new point, if you know new point x dash and y dash, the answer is equal to h comma k. How to get old point? This is the formula. P of h plus x dash y dash plus k. Old point. By translation of axis, the coordinates of p old point x comma y changes as p dash. P changes as p dash. P dash containing what? X dash. X dash means what? H minus k comma y minus k. P dash changes as like that. This is one point. Second point. Coordinates of p like that. The curve also. The translation of curve. The equation. The equation f of x comma y equal to 0 is a equation of curve. Equation of curve changes as f of x value is how much? X value, small x value h plus x dash comma y value, small y value k plus y dash is equals to 2. Suppose one curve, take a curve x square plus 2xy plus y square equal to 0. It is a curve. That curve, how it become as in new system? In new system, how it become as? Then x dash we should write h plus x dash. Y dash we should write k plus y dash in that equation. We should substitute and we should simplify. The new equation will come. It is old curve. How old curve become as new curve? New axis system according to new system. So like that we should. Second thing is rotation of axis. Previous thing is translation of axis. X-axis and y-axis are moved to somewhere, but this here axis are rotating in the same angle. X-axis how much will rotate, y-axis also will rotate in same direction and the same angle without changing the horizon. Without changing the horizon. Previously horizon is shifted to somewhere. Now consider this one. This is called the x-axis and the y-axis. Now P is a point. X comma y is a P. X comma y be a point in xy plane. Xy plane. Now it's rotation of axis. Rotation. X-axis and y-axis are rotated with the same angle theta. Now OX is without changing the origin. Without changing the origin. Origin is same with the same origin. X dash. X-axis curved like this. Angle theta. Then y also will become like this. Y dash. P also theta. without changing the horizon, axes are rotated. Axes are rotated. With angle theta. Then with the new system x dash and y dash, x dash O y dash, P changes as x dash comma y dash. P point changes as x dash comma y dash. Same P will be changed as x dash comma y dash. So what is the relation of x y and x dash y dash with respect to theta? Now previous thing is what? This old system. Draw perpendiculars. PL one perpendicular we should draw. PL perpendicular to OX. PM perpendicular to OX dash. We should draw. PL perpendicular to OX. PM perpendicular to OX dash. And draw MN perpendicular to PL. MN perpendicular to PL. This perpendicular is nothing but normals. You should draw normals to the x-axis, new x dash axis, y dash axis, and MN we should draw perpendicular to PL. Now say about this angle, how much will be here? This theta will be. Why? Why here theta will be? This is what? Perpendicular. This is what? Perpendicular. Angle between the lines. Here angle between the lines. This x-axis and x dash axis. Angle between the lines. These two are lines. Angle between the lines is what? Theta. Angle between the lines will be same the angle between their perpendiculars. X-axis perpendicular is what? PL. X-dash axis perpendicular is what? PM. Angle between the lines will be same as the angle between their perpendiculars. These are perpendiculars. So it will be equal to here. So angle MPN is also theta. Now say what's this distance is what? OL is equal to what? X. OL. PL is equal to what? OL is equal to X. PL is equal to what? Y. PL is equal to what? Y. This with respect to new system, PM is equal to what? O to M. OM is equal to what? X dash. O to M. X dash. P to M. It is new system now. Y dash. PM perpendicular to this y axis, y dash axis. So PM equals to y dash. What can you say about these two? MN. Okay. Can be written as PL minus NL. NL తెలియదు కదా, NL గురించి చెప్పలేదు. Small x is equal to what? Small x is equal to what? OL. OL can be written as OQ minus LQ. OQ minus LQ. OQ can be written as, now come to OQ. O to Q. Take this triangle. In this triangle, OQM triangle. In triangle OQM. Sin theta you say. Here theta is there no? Sin theta. MQ by OM. OM is called as, here OM is called as what? X dash. Sin theta equals to MQ by X dash. X dash sin theta is equals to MQ. Okay. Cos theta is equals to, in this triangle only, in this triangle, cos theta is equals to adjacent OQ by OM. OQ by OM. OM is called what? X dash. Cos theta is equals to OQ by X dash. x dash cos theta is equals to O. Now say O की value, O की how much? X dash cos theta minus LQ how much? LQ. LQ is nothing but LQ is nothing but NM. LQ is nothing but NM. To get NM, take this triangle. This triangle, in triangle PNM, in this triangle, apply sin theta. Get theta is there. Sin theta formula opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta equals to NM by hypotenuse is what? PM. PM distance called PM is equals to y dash. So sin theta is equals to NM by y dash. Y dash sin theta is equals to NM. Now NM we can NM plus what we get it? X dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. This is small x. Old point x relation with the new axis x dash and y dash with the theta. Theta is the rotation of value. X equals to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Like that. Old point y coordinate. Y means what? PL. PL is nothing but PL can be written as PL plus NL. PN we should calculate from this triangle. PN. Come to here, apply cos theta. Cos theta in this triangle. Adjacent side PN by PM. Cos theta is equals to PN by PM is what? Y dash. Y dash cos theta is equals to PN. PN is equals to y dash cos theta. NL is nothing but MQ. NL is nothing but MQ. MQ is nothing but here. Y dash cos theta plus MQ is nothing but X dash sin theta. So this is the relation between x old point x comma y, new point x dash y dash, angle is theta. So this connection we can say with the table x y small x y x dash y dash for x to get x small x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Small x equals to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Small y equals to y dash cos theta sin theta. Y dash cos theta plus x dash sin theta. We can replace x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. We can replace addition. So x dash cos theta plus y dash sin theta. Point P x comma y. Say small x value x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Small y value x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. We can replace P point as x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Y value x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. So suppose new point is given. New point P x dash y dash is given. What is the old point? P x dash value you say like this: x cos theta plus y sin theta, comma y dash value minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Like that we can tell. Like that curve also we can get curve. New curve, old curve, how it will change as new curve by replacing small x value and small y value. Shifted to minus 2 comma 3. Horizon 0 comma 0 shifted to q point h comma k. Like that h comma k is equals to minus 2 comma 3. Horizon is shifted to minus 2 comma 3. By translation of axis, x axis, y axis move to somewhere. Let us find the coordinates of P1 comma 2. P1 comma 2. With respect to new axis, we should find P dash x dash comma y dash. How P will be changes as. Now we want to get x dash. X dash formula x minus h, y dash formula y minus k. X, this is what x y. Whole point x value 1 minus h value minus 2. Y 2 minus k value 3. 1 plus 2 minus 1. So find the coordinates of unclubbered with respect to u dash p dash is what x dash 3 comma. When origin is shifted to 3 comma 4, origin is shifted to 3 comma 4 means h comma k shifted origin is equals to 3 comma 4. Translation of the axis, let us find the transformed equation of this one. This is f of x comma y, 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square is equal to 0. Find the transformed equation, new equation of this one. It is in old coordinate, small x and small y. So now get capital X dash formula, h comma k 3 comma 4. It is old equation. Now new equation equals to get a new equation we want to get. Old equation is given in small x and small y. No, small x formula, small x value x dash plus h value how much? X dash plus 3. Y dash equals to y dash plus k. Y dash plus k is what? 4. Small x value, small y value put in this equation. Therefore, capital F x comma y, capital X capital Y is equals to 2 of small x is what? X dash plus 3 whole square plus 4 of x dash plus 3 y dash plus 4 plus 5 y dash plus 4 whole square is equal to 0. Simplify this equation. Instead of x dash we can write 2 capital X. Here small x, so we can write here capital X we can write. Small x is equals to capital X plus 3. Like that also we can write. Small y equals to capital Y plus 4. Like that also we can write. Capital X plus 3 4 capital X plus 3 capital Y plus 4 plus 5 capital Y plus 4 whole square. Instead of x dash we can get a capital X. New equation. That's why. Whole square. 2 of x plus whole square. X square plus 2x 6x plus 9 plus 4 of x into y xy plus 4x plus 3y plus 12 plus 5 of capital Y square plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. Simplify with 2 multiply 2x square plus it 2x square plus 5y square or 2 6 are 12 plus 4 4 are 16 plus 12 16 plus 28 xy 28x y terms and x y terms 4 3 are 12y 5 8 are 40 plus 12
52
5 8 are 40 4 3 are 12 plus 40 52 by capital Y xy terms plus 4xy constants 2 9 are
18
4 12 are 48 to 18 66 to 65 are 80 146. This is a new equation. Right. What small x small y given by small x small y with respect to new axis. We should find with respect to the axes are rotated to theta is equal to 30 degrees. Now we should get p dash x dash comma y dash. From x dash formula x cos theta plus y sin theta. Y dash formula mu y dash minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Correct? Y dash equals to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. X dash equals to x 1 cos 30 degrees plus y 2 sin 30. Cos 30 value
1 by
root 3 by 2 plus 2 of sin 30
1 by
value 1
2.
by 2. So root 3
by 2.
plus 2 by 2. Like that. Y dash equals to minus x minus 1 sin 30 plus y 2 cos 30. Minus 1 sin 30 value 1 by 2 plus 2 root 3 by 2. Minus 1 root 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2. 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2. Now, what they are asking is to find the coordinates of p dash. P dash equals to root 3 plus 2 by 2, comma 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2. Simply to 2 comma 3, by the translation of coordinate, by the translation of axis, the coordinates of point P are changed as 4 comma 3. Find the coordinates of P x comma y. You should find. Now P dash is given. P dash 4 comma 3. P changed as 4 comma 3. This is what x dash. This is what y dash. Origin shifted to. Origin shifted to 2 comma 3. This is what x comma 3. Now find small x is equals to small x formula. Small x equals to x dash plus h or x dash minus h. X dash
plus h.
Small y equals to y dash plus a. X dash value 4 plus 2. Y dash minus 3 plus 3 is equals to 6 is equals to
0.
So required point P is equals to 6 comma 2. Find the point. You should find the point to which origin is to be shifted by the translation of axis. Axis of translating. For which point we should translate the axis so that the first remove the first degree terms from the equation. This is the equation. This equation will be converted into new equation. In that new equation, first degree terms are removed. First degree terms not there. So to remove the first degree terms, to not get the first degree terms, where we have to shift to x axis and y axis to which direction to shift. Understood? So origin is shifted to which point? Left. Origin is shifted to alpha comma beta. Previously we are thinking h comma k. Now we are thinking alpha comma beta. Origin is shifted to alpha comma beta. This is h, this is k. Now given equation f of x comma y is equals to what? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Small x value x dash plus h. Small y value y dash plus k. X equals to x dash plus h value is alpha. Y dash plus k is beta. This x and y values we should put here. It is equation 1. New equation. Transformed equation. This is original equation. Transformed equation. New equation or transformed equation. Now how it will be? A small x value is what? X dash plus alpha whole square plus 2h. X dash plus alpha y value y dash plus beta plus b y dash plus beta whole square plus 2g x dash plus alpha 2gx plus 2f y dash plus beta plus c equal to 0. This is new equation. Whole square formula a plus whole square x dash square plus 2x dash alpha plus alpha square plus 2h x dash y dash plus beta x dash plus alpha y dash plus alpha beta plus b of y dash plus b whole square. Y dash square plus 2 beta y dash plus b dash square, beta square plus 2g x dash plus 2g alpha plus 2f y dash plus 2f beta plus c equal to 0. Here from this we should get x square term, like that we should get x square term, xy term, y square term, x term, y term, like that. New equation also x square term is correct. X dash square term a x dash square no x dash square. Next what? 2h like this, 2h xy like that. Here see alpha, this is x dash term, xy term, 2h x dash y dash, 2h x dash y dash, nowhere we can get, plus y dash term b y dash square plus next to this is second degree term, x dash whole square second degree term. Here x dash having power 1, y dash having power 1 plus 1 second degree term. This second degree term. From first degree terms means take x dash common, x dash take common, 2 alpha a, 2 alpha x dash into a, 2a alpha x dash first degree term. Here first degree term. X dash here also is there no? Here also x dash plus 2g x dash. Here x dash is there no? 2h beta x dash. This is x dash terms. Here x term we are writing like that, x dash terms plus next to y dash terms. Next constant like that you write alpha y dash terms 2b beta y dash here. Next to y dash term here plus 2f plus x dash completed, y dash completed. Next to constants a alpha square, a into alpha square, a alpha square, 2h alpha beta, constant 2h alpha beta, b beta square plus constant f dash y dash 2f b, 2g alpha, 2f beta plus c equals to 0. In these terms, now first degree terms you say, first degree terms x dash term take common, 2a alpha plus 2g plus 2h beta of x dash. This is first degree term. It should be vanished, means it should be 0. It should be 0 means equal to 0 means this quantity should be 0. Therefore 2a alpha plus 2g plus 2hb is equal to 0. Equation 1. From this one we should get alpha beta we should get, because origin shifted to alpha beta. We want to find alpha and beta. This is constant. 2a alpha plus 2h beta plus 2g is equal to 0. 2 we can cancel. A alpha plus h beta plus g is equal to 0. Equation first already we taken, second equation which is, and x dash term like that, get y dash term, take y dash common, h alpha d beta plus f is equal to equation. Solving second equation or third equation. Solving we can get alpha. Solving 2, 3 equations. Alpha, close alpha, hf minus bg, hf minus bg is equals alpha terms close, beta terms we close, beta terms gh minus beta if we close, beta if you close GH minus A alpha, GH minus A, AF, GH minus A. No? AF minus G. मिलाकर दो. Alpha by alpha beta 1. Alpha क्लोज करते हैं. H B G F. Again A H B. Alpha by HF minus BC, beta by GH minus AF, 1 by AB minus AB minus. Again we say alpha equals to HF minus BC by AB minus H square. Beta equals to GH minus AF by AB minus. This is alpha and this is beta. Origin is shifted to horizon 0, 0 is shifted to alpha beta. Alpha become as HF minus BG by AB minus H square. Beta become as GH minus AF by AB minus. So this is theorem. Based on this, tomorrow we will